Guys, in this video, I will share two of the most trusted online trading platforms that you can go ahead and check right now. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so when comparing copy trading platforms, PU Prime stands out against TMGM with several notable advantages that actually enhance the user's experience and trading performance. Now, one of the key differentiators is PU Prime's support for multiple copy trading modes. All right, so they don't have only one copy trading mode, just like any other trading platforms right there. With PU Prime, guys, they support this multiple copy trading modes, and it allows users to tailor their strategies based on the risk appetite and the trading objectives of the user. Now, this flexibility is ideal for both novice and the experienced traders that are seeking more control over their investment. So PU Prime also offers a higher execution rate, which ensures that trades are processed with greater speed and precision. Because again, in the trading market, guys, every second counts because it is so volatile that, you would need to make sure that you will be able to get to your entry and exit points at the right time, and you cannot spare any second or millisecond because it might just pump or it might just dump in that span. Now, faster execution helps users replicate the trading performance of signal providers more accurately, which also enhances the effectiveness of the copy trading strategy. So another strength, guys, of PU Prime is its flexibility to stop copy trades anytime. So this is TMGM's website, guys, and you could also go ahead and check them out. But I would really, I have already tried both, and I feel, PU Prime gives you more value, which also gives you more features and benefits. So this is actually my go-to online trading platform when I am doing my Forex, my crypto, and the other trading that I am doing, especially when I am utilizing their copy trading feature. So the cost efficiency is also a highlight for PU Prime, and I know for a lot of you, if not all, price or the fees or transaction fees matter a lot because it affects your profitability. So the platform maintains competitive fees, making it an attractive choice for traders that are looking to maximize returns without incurring unnecessary expenses. So by offering quality services at a cost-effective rate, PU Prime supports long-term profitability for its traders. So in contrast, guys, while TMGM provides a functional copy trading environment, PU Prime delivers more in terms of customization, execution performance, and the cost structures. Now, these advantages, in my honest opinion, guys, makes PU Prime a more compelling choice for traders that are seeking a more responsive, user-friendly copy trading experience. So guys, I would strongly suggest, of course, that you do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions as to which one you will choose in terms of your online trading. If you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell that will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.